Club of Meghnad Shah Institute of Technology was chartered on the 6th of May 2014. Since then, it has been a warehouse of innovative ideas, with around 100 members each year, putting up smiles on the faces of the ones in need.
Sponsored by Rotary Club of Calcutta Mayfair, the Rotary Club of Meghnad Shah Institute of Technology firmly believes in service above self. It is an institution for the youth who want to change the society, resonating the annual motto, opportunities to impact, improve and inspire. We focus on the overall development of the society.
Even the global pandemic of COVID-19 could not stop the members from making it a mark in the society. The Rota Year 2021 saw around the hundreds of online and offline events covering all the avenues of services, from mask and necessary donation drives to celebrating festivals like Diwali, New Year, etc. This year, it touched the heart of the society. Through online assistance services, events like RCMSIT reinforced the members stood by the side of the society in the times of their dire need, working relentlessly, providing all the verified leads to all the COVID-19 related services to one and all.
Of all the projects undertaken last year, Project Prabha Nanne Muskan has undoubtedly been one of our biggest community service projects that we have undertaken till date, and is something that we as a team are really proud to be a part of. It took place on 2nd of January 2021 at Nandakumarpur, Sundarbans. These projects made us work on a few of Rotary's 7 areas of focus, which includes supporting education and providing clean water, sanitation and hygiene in the form of Project Prabha, and supporting mothers and children in the form of Project Nanne Muskan. Both these projects were aimed at improving the quality of life of the people living in those remote parts of the country where access to certain basic needs is really hard.
However, the members' parting happiness needs a break as well. Throughout the year, keeping the pandemic guidelines in mind, the members sought out time from their schedule and engaged in numerous fun, from going out for lunch to celebrating achievements. Among them, the most memorable one was the club installation ceremony held on 20th February at the Science City Auditorium. For members from different states, we held numerous online club service events, brightening and lightening our minds amidst the dark times.
7 amazing years since the tattoo ceremony, we have come to a place which will speak for itself in terms of our work. Though this year was different in a lot of ways, we have managed to turn our dreams into reality. Through this year, we have managed to turn quite a lot of frowns into smiles with our amazing projects. Rotary Club of MSIT holds a special place in our hearts. It's not a club, it's not a ward. It's a family of amazing minds and generous hearts.